Hello, illuminated creators. Here we are in video number 5. And this video, I'm really filling in the rest of the colors for this sacred geometry painting we're creating, giving it a basic color map. And the two base parts at the bottom, or the sides, whichever way this is going to end up, I wanted to do them in green. It just contrasts nicely with the orange. And again, this is just a first coat. There'll be more. And notice too how it becomes more blended and vibrant when I put more brush strokes into it. So yes, in this video, I'm just filling in the colors, the main colors of the painting. I'm going to be also doing the two smaller petals there there we go, in yellow. And I messed that up. I should have been doing the deep yellow near the end and then the brighter yellow near the center, because the center is going to be my light source. So again, here we are at the end of another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.